So this is exactly how to connect your GameSir Nova Lite to your PlayStation 5 here, as you can see. So how do we actually do it? Well, the first thing we need to get is this USB stick that you should have gotten when you actually purchased the controller. So this is the dongle to the controller here, as you can see. And there is one more thing we need. And this is one of those Brook Wingman P5 adapter, and we need this right here to be able to make this work, just so you know. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this adapter here and insert it right here, and then I'm going to insert it into my PlayStation 5 here, as you can see. So once I have inserted it into my PlayStation 5 here, what I'm going to do is to just click right here until it's gonna start blinking really fast, as you can see. Now when it blinks really fast, click on this button here and this button at the same time. Then we need to click on this too at the same time until it blinks really fast. So now it's in pairing mode. Perfect. Now you can see when it blinks consistent like that, what we need to do then, I'm just gonna show you. So you can see now we should be able to use the controller without any problems here on our PlayStation 5. You can see no problems whatsoever. I can go to a game here. I'm going to show you that it works without delay on the game. So let's see, this is FC26 by the way. And you can see I'm the red team here, so Arsenal. So I have the ball, passing. You can see no lag whatsoever. So this is really awesome. And I'm just gonna pause this real quick. And if you want to, by the way, if you're going to get this Brook Wingman P5 adapter here, I have left a link for it down below in the description. And yes, it is an affiliate link, so I may earn a small commission if you purchase through it at no extra cost to you, just so you know. It will be a really cool way to support my channel if you're going to buy it anyway. I would appreciate that. But basically, this is exactly how to connect it here, as you can see, to your PlayStation 5.